Okay, here's a trade recap for Thursday, May 22nd. Looking at the pre-market plan, price is in a bit of a downtrend. We had this big consolidation overnight, sold off, and then on a lower time frame, price was rallying. Um, in my main areas were really this 5875 area, and that was pretty much the main thing I was watching. Um, But I really didn't play anything directly based off that plan, so let's get into how I actually traded this. So I marked out that 5875 level as res, and then I also had this pre-market key level marked, um, which was support and then resistance, and then became high of day. And really on this opening move is where I developed kind of my whole new thesis. So we rally up into this key level um, at open and just get an immediate hard rejection sell off. I got a little bit of FOMO here because I was slightly watching for a short entry and I just didn't have any time to actually take it. So I got some FOMO there, but I said, okay, I'll wait and catch the next leg of the move. So the first thing I was watching for was this like pre-market support level, um, and right before the market opened. That level, when it broke, left behind the low volume node. And there you can see the high volume, higher volume, it tapers off in here. So that level combined with the low volume node was key for me to watch for a retest. And we pulled right back into that level. One sec. Pulled right back into that level. And right here you can see the offer breaks and re-offers, refills. And that was enough for me to get in as selling started pushing down. I got my entry at, here, I'll just pull this up. Got my entry at the 53s. We pushed down, couldn't get past these 4.8s, and I got stopped out. Next trade, we retest that key level I was just talking about. This pre-market support turned resistance, now high of day. Retest that, and at this point, I'm watching for this level to hold for a rejection. And let's see what time. 9:42 is when I get in on this setup. So spike up into that zone. The same type of confirmation. We have this big offer sitting here. It breaks, and then offers start to reload in here. This is where I get short. Right here at the 59s, and then my first scale was the third of my position at 2R, which means I can leave the rest of my position, stop at break even, and or no, stop it. It's original stop loss, and if it hits, the trade will be break even, which is how I like to trade. Um, Started bouncing here at that level, right around 2R, right around where we rejected last time, or reversed last time. So I start unloading a little bit more in my position, just to be safe because there is red flags appearing. My my final target was just a break of this low of day, and I could have gotten a nice amount of profit just on that little bit more move. But this ended up stopping me out at break or not break even at stop loss on the rest of that, and I think I netted about 3 points on that play. Um, but yeah, I handled it well. Can't complain. Can't be perfect. A perfect trader would have gotten out all of it down there, but it's impossible to know. And if I would have gotten out all of it down there, and then we dumped and hit my original target, I would have been pissed. So handled that very well. So now market's getting aggressive. Now we break above this 5965, 5960 area that I've been watching. So now this wasn't part of my original pre-market plan at all, but because this level is showing me lots of significance, um, and just the way the structure is, I'm now thinking we can get a hold of this level after this rally. I think we can hit at least these recent highs, which is exactly what we did. So I got in long, got stopped out, pretty small loss there, not even 3 points. Trusted my plan, got confirmation for one more entry, got back in, and we rallied hard. Got out first two scales when we got just this initial push into this resistance zone, and then I was looking to get out the rest kind of more out here towards the top. Those ones are a little bit lower, and then got out most of my position here on this next push up, and then trailing stop on my runner hit here. Didn't get much of this move, but still the plan worked. Break and retest of this level into this red res zone worked perfectly. Yeah. So pretty much 2 losses, 1 win that didn't fully play out, and then 1 good win on 3 different setups. Probably done for the day. The only thing I would be watching, which was from my plan, is if Price can actually find some aggression above these levels and find support. I think we can hit the 5/900s. But for now, we just have to wait. Yeah, so price action really isn't that good. It's very choppy, very wicky. But yeah, that's it for now. Peace.